Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty, and I am back with another video. I'm here with this, full-time cranberry smoky eye for you, little drama for the girls. I brought up my blonde wig. So yeah, this look was pretty much inspired for fall, of course, because it's on the way, right around the corner. I'm so ready for fall. It's the season I was born in, so I'm ready for that. Big 21 this year. Gonna turn up. But yeah, I really like the way this look came out. I rarely go for lips this dark. Like, haven't done this since maybe 9th, 10th grade for like homecoming or something. But yeah, I usually stick to lip gloss, stuff like that. But I'm really feeling it. Like, it's starting to get a little spooky. I'm ready for Halloween. Ready for these costume parties, ready for these haunted houses, ready for the movies, ready for the cookies, ready for the candy, ready for all of that. So this is pretty much where I pull my inspiration from, spooky season coming up. That's pretty much, why I came to do this. But enough of me rambling. But before I start this video, just stop. Just stop right now. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you follow me on social media. Stalk me on social media. Don't forget social media. All things related to this look will be in the description box, so make sure you check all that out before the video is over, and go ahead and check out all my other videos too. But yeah, I'm done. Enjoy the video. hope you guys like the way this all came out. I'm very pleased. My foundation looking flawless. If y'all want a detailed foundation routine, leave something in the comment section so I know you guys want to see that, because it looks really good. I'm giving skin. So if you want to see that, you know, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Leave in the comment section what you want to see. If you want to see my foundation routine, if you want to see how I make this wig, because I did make this wig. Colored it, dyed it, bleached it all day myself. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to look at the description box so you can follow me on social media and everything. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on social media, and everything that I use will be in the description box. So that's all. Bye guys.